डेंग्यूचे दुयेंस ही एक चिंतेची गजाल. हाचेर ऑफिशियलांनी गंभीर जावपाची गरज आसा. पर्वरे ते 8 डेंग्यूच्यो केशी रिपोर्ट जाल्ल्यो आसा. भलायकी संचालनालयान ह्या विशया कडेन गंभीरतायेन पळोवपाची गरज आसा. जाका हे दुयेंस जाता त्याच फामिलीक हाची गंभीरताय खबर आसा म्हण आमदार खंवटे उलयला. हार्डेक्स गोवा खातीर सुकूळच्यान संजय बुनोली.
Health Minister has only talked about the precautions that are being taken up, which are there. But I think dengue is a serious issue where the officials need to be going fast. आमच्या हातून 8 reported cases is not a joke. एक कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन समज 8 डेंगू रिपोर्ट जाता. डेंगू फाटल्यान कितें जाता हे लोकांक जे लागींचे लोक ना जाता त्याच फॅमिलीक आनी त्या लोकांक कळटा. नाल्यार डेंगू इज जस्ट अ वर्ड बींग यूज्ड इन अ terminology which is used in health. I think this issue needs to be tackled seriously by the Director of Health Service. PHC testing दिवपाचे आशिल्ले ते दिल्या काय ना म्हाका अजून खबर ना. But dengue, the way it had to be treated, I have got a written reply from the Health Minister, but it is not satisfactory to the officers who are supposed to follow up on his directions. That is not happening. I am not talking about my Porvorim Health Center. I am talking about Director of Health Services in Panjim, which should be directing proper procedures and preventive measures to ensure that dengue does not come in. Because dengue जो mosquito असता is not out of waste water, it is out of fresh water. ताजे खातीर fresh water जर भायर सरता तो tackle करप is more easy and convenient than the rest.